In this assignment, I wrote two functions. The first one is Coprime test loop, which asks the user for two numbers, and then pass the numbers to the next function, Coprime. The Coprime function here checks if A and B are coprime. So the logic of this function is, first of all, we only consider positive integers in this assignment. So first, if A and B are equal, then they are not coprime because they have more than one common factors. They have one and themselves. And else, if either one of A and B equal to 1, then they are coprime because they only have the only common factor, which is 1. And if the two above situations are not the case, then we need to consider if there are some common factors between A and B, and if there is one, then they are not coprime because they have more than one common factors, and otherwise they are coprime. So let's run the code and call the function. It first asks us to enter two numbers, so let's try some examples. First, let's try 2 and 2, like two same numbers. So it gives us false because they have 1 and 2 and they are common factors. And next, let's try 1 and 3. The answer is true because they only have the only common factor, which is 1. And let's try some bigger numbers. Let's say 3, 4, 5, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So that the answer is false because they have common factors 1 and 5. Maybe some other numbers, but they have more than one common factor, so they are not coprime. So if we would like to exit the program, we just need to hit the enter. Then it will end the function. So that's how these functions run.